For this activity, you will need a jumbo stick, binder clips, copper tape, an energizer's battery, LED lights, and Scotch tape. The first thing you'll be doing is getting your large popsicle stick and your binder clip and clipping it to the bottom of the popsicle stick and folding it over like this. The next thing that you will be doing is grabbing your copper tape and lining it up from the end of the binder clip to the end of the jumbo stick and then ripping it off. After you're done with this, do the same thing on the other side. Now that you have your binder clip attached to your popsicle stick and 2 even pieces of copper tape, it is now time to move on to the next step. For this next step, we will be placing the copper tape onto the jumbo stick. In order to do this, we will taking the copper tape and peeling it off, placing it on the jumbo stick. When we do this, make sure it does not go past the top of the jumbo stick. Do this on the other side. If you've done it correctly, it should look like this. For this part, you need your Scotch tape and your LED light. Take your LED light and put it on top of the jumbo stick where the copper tape is. Then have a friend or parent tape it in place. At this point, your LED flashlight should look like this. This is the final step. You will get your Energizer battery and your LED flashlight. You will place your Energizer battery at the end of the copper tape, opposite the LED light, and have a friend or a parent tape it all the way around. If this is done correctly, then when you flip the binder clip, the LED light will turn on. Now you have this super cool LED flashlight made entirely from household items. Thanks for watching! See you next time!